What are the achievements of Mendeleev periodic table? First achievement is he left some gaps in his periodic table. This is a big achievement in this periodic table. And after that, Mendeleev named them by prefixing a Sanskrit numeral eka. Eka means 1 to the name preceding element in the same group. For instance of scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. So these scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. That's why he left some gaps in his periodic table. They are fixed in that gaps. They are fixed scandium, gallium and germanium discovered later. But instead of this scandium, gallium and germanium, he given the gaps. In that gaps, he prefixing a Sanskrit numeral, that is eka. Eka, E-K-A. Eka means 1. After that, this gallium, scandium and germanium discovered later, these have properties similar to the eka boron, eka aluminium, eka silicon. Okay, these properties are similar to the eka aluminium, eka boron and eka silicon. The properties of eka aluminium predicted by Mendeleev and those of the element gallium, which was discovered later and replaced eka aluminium. Later, after some days, gallium is discovered. That gallium and eka aluminium, these both are properties are similar. So that's why they are replaced as eka aluminium replaced in gallium. Eka aluminium is replaced as a gallium. Okay. Later they given the name gallium. So we are discussed already properties of eka aluminium and gallium both are similar. The formula of chloride also, formula of oxide also. This is the main big achievement. After that, noble gases. Noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these have been mentioned in many contexts before this. These gases were discovered very late. Noble gases were discovered very late because they are very inert and extremely low concentration in our atmosphere. Once you have to observe the noble gases, they are already stable. They are not participate in the chemical reactions in normal conditions. Already I told in the previous classes also. Okay, noble gases, why they are not ready to participate in the chemical reactions? Because of they are already stable. Every atom, every element are trying to get the stability in a chemical reaction. Why all atoms are undergoing to the chemical reaction? Because of stability. Here noble gases are already stable. Why they are participate to in chemical reaction? That's why in general condition, in ordinary conditions, they are not participate in a chemical reactions. So that's why they are stable. They are not participate in the chemical reactions, and they are low concentration in our atmosphere. Once you have to observe in our atmosphere, they are very low concentration. So this is the one of the strength of Mendeleev's periodic table was that when these gases were discovered, they could be placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. And after that, they are discovered the noble gases. But when how he is kept in the periodic table, the remaining elements, they are not disturbed. They are not disturbing. Without disturbing the existing order, they are placed in a new group. These noble gases are placed in a new group without disturbing the existing order. So this is the achievements of Mendeleev's periodic table. In the next class, we are discussing about the limitations of Mendeleev's classification. Okay, limitations of Mendeleev's classification. In that, main limitation is they did not give any fixed position of the hydrogen. But the electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that alkali metals. Alkali metals like compounds of hydrogen. What are the compounds of hydrogen? HCl, H2O, H2S. Compounds of sodium, NaCl, Na2O, Na2S. These are resembles as alkali metals. Electronic configuration of hydrogen resembles that of alkali metals. Like alkali metals, hydrogen combines with halogens, oxygen and sulfur. Hydrogen also combined with halogen, oxygen and sulfur. Alkali metals also combines with halogens, oxygen and sulfur. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about that. Thank you.